Ami Colé products worth the hype or not? That is the question we are going to be answering today. I'm going to do a first impressions of the foundation as well as the Skin Melt Loose Powders. So first things first is the Ami Colé Skin Enhancing Lightweight and Blurring Foundation Stick. Now this is $29 on the Sephora website. I am in the shade 140. Hopefully I'm in the shade 140, y'all. I totally guessed my shade on here, but this has 16 shades available. I am again in shade 140. I got this because not only is it vegan, not only is it fragrance free, but it's also one of the cleaner brands at Sephora, and it's also Black owned, y'all, so give it up. We are going to be also reviewing the Skin Melt Loose Powder. The loose powder is $22 on the Sephora website. Y'all, I scanned this on the Yuka app and this was rated 100 out of 100. Now this is in the shade Rich Deep. This I believe comes in 3 shades. I got the deepest shade here and I'm thinking of using this as an all-around setting powder because I already have a powder I can use to set my concealer. Let us do that right now because I actually have a brunch to go to very soon. Should I do this side? I feel like this is my better side. Okay. All right. I'm going to do one side of my face with the foundation and one side without. So this might be a little darker than... Actually, some parts is darker, but like the inner part of my face is... We're going to figure this out. We're going to figure this out. Maybe I should have went one shade lighter. I don't know. It looks good on like the outer. A clean makeup brush. Let us blend it in. I do have a concealer that will brighten up the center of my face. So one side with foundation, the other side without. Okay, I thought there was going to be an issue, but it actually blended in really, really nicely. Okay, and blemishes where? Hello. I'm going to do the other side now, and then I got to figure out what I'm going to do with my hair. The struggles. The struggles to figure out what to do with this hair is too real. Bring it down to... Okay. You know what? I thought this was going to be crazy, crazy dark, but it's actually good. I'm going to put this concealer on. This is the Ami Colé Skin Enhancing Concealer. This on the website is $24. A lot of their products are very affordable. Makeup products from Ami Colé are more affordable than the other cleaner beauty brands, which is great because y'all, the economy. Ooh. This is going to balance everything right out, huh? Okay. Just going to do the center of my face to add dimension. Then we're going to let that sit for a little bit. Let that sit for a little bit. Okay. I guess I didn't need to let it set. Okay. I thought this concealer was going to be a little too light once I applied it, but it's actually not horrible at all. I'm not complaining at all. I like it. Now, let me set this concealer with my Bare Minerals Original Mineral Veil. This is in translucent. I'm going to set the rest of my face with the Ami Colé setting powder. We will use this brush. Goodness. Wow. Definitely gotta tap. Get lots of product on here. Okay. Oh. Okay. I thought this was gonna be darker. Really, really good. Oh! I got it on my shirt. First impressions. I am loving the foundation. I would probably go a shade lighter next time with the foundation. Concealer, the concealer can stay. The concealer can stay that shade. And the Ami Colé loose setting powder is very good, but I need to wear like a robe or something when I'm applying my makeup, because this just got all over the shirt that I plan to wear to brunch. My face is matching my neck. I like that. In the meantime, I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and then I'll get back to you on how everything is feeling. I will be right back. Face is sitting, and you know what, I thought I was gonna have an issue with my shirt with all the loose setting powder on it, but I just wiped it off, and I mean, you can't really see it too bad, so I'm just gonna keep the shirt on because I really wanted to wear the shirt. So right now it's 11:16. This is the face right now. Let me take a quick photo of this beautiful face. Wow, cute. It's cute. Hold on. Turn this off, and I'm gonna do flash. Okay, let me do flash. Hold on. Okay. The flash is okay. I didn't realize how much of a highlighting capability the concealer has, but in terms of like the face powder and all that, the face powder is sitting. The center of my face is very highlighted, but I'm not complaining. I love it. All right, so I gotta go to brunch. I might as well bring y'all to brunch with me. All right, come on. Since you insisted, come on, let's go.
Are you labeling anybody else?
We are, but it's so we can mamas.
Yeah.
After.
I gotcha.
Thank you. Okay, ready?
Maybe you come over here. It's gonna be hard to get your.
Okay. Come sit right here.
Everybody else, we're good. All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Time now is 2:44. This face, sitting, creases, wear. She's flawless, very skin-like. No complaints. I have absolutely no complaints. Brunch is great, and so I think at the end of the day, I will check back again to share with you how my makeup is sitting and share with you my final thoughts at that time. So I will see y'all later. I got lots of housework to do. I got lots of playing with the baby to do. So I'll catch y'all later. It is 9:15 and this face. Can we get into this face? Let me get closer, because y'all, this face looks stunning. This right here, A1, absolutely. Would I recommend this foundation? Absolutely. If you, I'm looking at this face again. If you don't like your makeup to crease, if you like your makeup to look natural and not feel so suffocating or just blah, Ami Colé is definitely a foundation you should try. I usually go off of like really good reviews, and on the Sephora website, Ami Colé was at a 4.5 out of 5 stars. I mean, it was a no-brainer for me. But now I understand why they rated it so high, because hello? I have no complaints about the foundation. I have no complaints about the loose setting powder or even the concealer, even though I thought the concealer was a little glowy, especially with the flash on. I don't think that's a big problem for me. I don't use flash that much anyway, so. My face wasn't oily, it just stayed like this. It stayed hydrated looking, it stayed flawless, no creasing in my smile lines. I mean, I have absolutely no complaints. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'll be sure to leave a link to Ami Colé in the description box. And with all that being said, I want to thank you all so much for watching and supporting and subscribing to my channel. And I will see you all in the next one. Peace, girl. And don't mind.